Hi food lovers, welcome to Recipes You Like. Today we are going to make gobi manchurian, a very famous Indo-Chinese recipe. Can be eaten as a snack or with your main course. Can be made with lots of variations. So let's get quickly started. Let's start with the sauce first. In a pan, take some olive oil. To this add one big onion, or you can add two medium-sized onions, finely chopped. Saute them till they are translucent. You can also use spring onions instead of pink onions. The onions have started turning translucent. Let's add half a teaspoon of ginger paste into it and half a teaspoon of garlic paste. We are adding half a cup of garlic stem or scapes into it. This is optional. If you are using spring onions, you need not add it, and you can even add small pieces of capsicum into it to give the sauce a crunchy texture. Now add half a teaspoon of chili paste into it, or finely chopped chilies. Add about 5 teaspoons of soya sauce. About 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Let's add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. Our chili sauce is already sour, so no need of adding vinegar. You can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Keep your heat to a low. Let not the whole of the sauce get evaporated. The sauce for the gobi manchurian needs to be a bit hot, sweet and sour. So you can adjust the amount of chili, tomato ketchup or soya sauce also according to your own taste. You can add a little bit more or less of the three. Be careful, add just little salt as soya sauce already has some amount of salt in it. We are making a thick sauce here. If you want it in a gravy style, you can add little water to it. Let's just keep this aside till we get ready with our gobi. To start with, we have taken here in the bowl about 3/4 cup of cornstarch, and to this we will add about half a cup of maida, that is all-purpose flour. We have taken the amount of cornstarch more than the amount of all-purpose flour to make the gobi manchurian more crispy. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of ginger paste and half a teaspoon of garlic paste. Mix this all together. We will make a batter out of it, adding water to it as much required. There should be no lumps in between, and the batter should be of dropping consistency, neither too thick or too thin. Now drop in the gobi, that is cauliflower, florets of cauliflower, and completely coat them. We have taken about 500 grams of florets of cauliflower. Now instead of using gobi, you can also make manchurian out of cabbage, paneer, mushroom, or if you are non-vegetarian, chicken, but the remaining procedure will be the same. We have already kept some oil over the stove. It's hot now. Now let's drop in the coated florets of gobi into it. We'll fry this on a low to medium heat so that the gobi gets evenly cooked both inside and outside till it gets golden in color. Within 2 to 3 minutes they are perfect to take out. Strain them out. To make them more crispy, you can either fry them again or you can pop them into the oven for a minute or two before dropping them into the sauce. Put on the burner again and add the fried gobi to the sauce. You need to completely coat the gobi with this sauce. Adding half a teaspoon of oregano into it. Gobi manchurian is ready. Let's take it out to serve. You can enjoy this gobi manchurian with fried rice or noodles. To get the detailed printable recipe, please hit the link at the end of the video or in the description section below. To encourage us, please hit the like button, add this video to your favorite, or even share the video. Along with that, don't forget to post your comments and suggestions with your queries in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Subscribe with us for more such lovely recipes every Tuesday. Till then, keep healthy and enjoy cooking.